United States, women make 80 cents for every man's dollar.
We're happy to be joined this morning by Sage Levine, founder and creator of the Women's Leadership Summit and author of Women Rocking Business. Thanks for being here, Sage. Women are starting businesses 1.5 times faster than men right now. And so I believe we're living at a time it's very exciting for women. Women are rising up all over the world and wanting to claim their value and ready to claim their value. And, you know, we just are so hungry to bring our gifts to the marketplace, and we want to do it in a way that's in alignment with women, so with women's values. And I don't believe that we're victims. I don't believe that we're victims any longer. I believe it's up to us to really step out and ask for what we're worth.
Because you have a message to bring. The world needs your wisdom, and the time is now. I'd like to invite you to join this movement of women entrepreneurs and help me get this message into the hands of women around the world so that we can create financial freedom and give back together.
The fight for the right to be free, to be who we are, to be equal. Let's march together through this darkness, and with each step, know that we are not afraid.
Women are starting businesses so we can support women from our countries.
Women are starting businesses so that they can bring healing solutions to the world.
So that we can support other women around the world that need us.
So we can create our own schedules and be there for our children.
So we can travel to places we've never seen before.
So we can quit our day jobs and work from anywhere in the world.
I really believe that we have a chance to leave the sort of dog-eat-dog competitive climate of entrepreneurship and business and in the marketplace behind us, and that women have an opportunity to bring women's values to really create such a new paradigm of giving and collaboration and a place where everybody can thrive, women and men together.